Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on using Kahoot, a gamified quiz platform that makes learning interactive and fun. Whether you're conducting a quiz, reviewing lessons, or assessing student understanding, Kahoot is a fantastic tool to keep students engaged. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything, from setting up a quiz to reviewing student results. So now, let's get started!
To use Kahoot, first go to kahoot.com and create a free account. Sign up using your email or Google account. So in this case, since we already have an account, we can directly log in, then proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can create or find quizzes. Now, let's create a quiz. Step 1. Click on the Create button at the top. Step 2. Choose New Kahoot to start from the scratch, or you can just select a freebie template. But in this tutorial, we're going to pick the blank canvas or create from the scratch. Step 3. Add title, description, and cover image to make your quiz visually appealing. But adding image is optional. Step 4. For each question, choose the format multiple choice or true or false. Or you can choose other option, but you have to upgrade or buy subscription for that. Now, for this tutorial, we'll stick to the multiple choice. Step 5. Customize the time limit, point system, and media, image, videos, or audio for each question. Step 6. Once done, click Save and your quiz is ready. Now, let's move on to hosting a live Kahoot session.
After creating your quiz, it's time to play! Here's how to host a game. Go to the Kahoot you created and click Host Live. Once you click Host Live button, it will direct you to a page where you can select which mode you prepare to host and play. It can be classic mode, lecture mode, or team mode, or you can also choose other modes below, but you also have to upgrade a subscription for that. After choosing what mode you prepare, you can click Start. A game pin will appear where the student will enter this Kahoot it on their device. Once all the students have joined, click Start to begin the game. The question will appear on the main screen and the student will select their answer from their own device. Now let's see how students experience the game.
From a student perspective, Kahoot is simple and exciting. Students enter the game pin and type their name or nickname. Once the game begins, they see answer choices on their device while the questions appear on the main screen. The faster they answer correctly, the more points they earn. A leaderboard appears after each question, keeping the competition lively and fun. At the end, a funny ranking is shown, highlighting top performance and encourage participations. Now, let's discuss how you can analyze the result and use them for assessments.
After the game, you can review student performance using Kahoot's analytic features. Here's how. First, go to your Kahoot dashboard and click on Reports. You'll see student scores, accuracy rates, and the most missed questions. Use this data to identify learning gaps and adjust future lessons accordingly. Kahoot is perfect for formative assessment, lesson reviews, and even quick icebreakers. You can also assign quizzes for homework to reinforce learning outside the classroom.
And that's how you use Kahoot in education. It's a simple yet powerful tool to boost student engagement and track learning progress. We hope this tutorial helps you integrate Kahoot into your classroom. Now, go ahead and try it out. Your students will love it. Thanks for joining us.